Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you what's my regular skincare routine. Where I'm going to suggest you a good face wash, scrub and face pack. This, if you are the one who is suffering from acne problem and with lots of blackheads and whiteheads in your skin, so definitely this will be going to help you a lot. So let's get into the video. At first, I will let you know why I have chosen this Himalayas face wash, because it's a soap-free herbal formulation and also it really clears the impurities from the skin. And also it prevents pimples. Neem is well known for antibacterial properties. So when you use this, it kills the bacteria in our skin. So let me show you how I am going to use this. Always wash your face with hot water when you are going to do face scrub or face wash or something like that. Give a massage like this and a circular motion around your nose and lips and chin and also on your forehead. Give a massage like this and also around your ears. Be careful when you are doing this around your ears. Once washed the face, I am going to apply the face scrub. So that is also Himalayas neem scrub. This is specially formulated to give you a clear problem-free skin. This scrub works with a dual exfoliation and it also purifies your skin. Always neem is well known for purifying bacteria from our skin. It also has apricot granules, so gently scrub around your neck and head area also. I'm going to scrub it. Gently scrub. As I have this acne problem now, so I'm going to just using this neem face wash and neem entire pack. I just bought these three as a pack. Actually, this neem scrub is for, I think you can see this. This is for 75 rupees one. Neem face scrub and face pack is really 75 rupees. And other than that, the neem face wash is just 65 rupees only. Scrubbing around my forehead. Many of them forget to scrub around the ear area, so I just don't want to miss it. Always give a scrub like this. I just washed my face and now I'm going to apply the face pack. And next step is I'm going to apply this Himalayas neem face pack that helps get excess oil of secretion, cleans clogged pores, and also it prevents the recurrence of pimples, and also it helps in controlling the acne and pimples. So it is combined with turmeric. It has a turmeric and also fuller syrup, which we call as multani methi. Turmeric is an antibacterial property, so it helps. It also acts as an antibacterial property. Apply evenly around my neck and face. It's already over actually. When you apply this face pack, it lightly burns, so don't get scared of about that. And once after drying, you just wash it with cold water. You can see now how my skin looks like. It's so clear, and you can use this complete face wash and scrub and face pack. Use this face wash daily, and this Himalayas face scrub you can use in alternative days, and face pack you can use it weekly once. Scrub your face often. It's always good not to scrub your face, and always try to avoid face packs regularly. For that you can use monthly once or twice like that. And that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.